Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about the third movement of the Wudang 5 animal Qigong, Leopard. In the 5 element, it belongs to wood element and the target organ is the liver. Let's begin. Raise both arms, shoulder width, shoulder height. Bend elbow and your knees. Shift left, right leg step out, horse stand. Turn to your right into your bow stand. Back to horse stand. Push your right palms behind the back of your head. Rest your left outer shoulder on the thigh. Look up, point towards where the palm is facing. Inhale back. Shift left, right leg step in. Embrace. Change side. Shift right, left leg step out, horse stand. Change to your bow stand. Bend your elbow, back to horse stand. Side bend to your right, outer shoulders touching your right thigh. Left palm push behind your head, eyes looking to the right side. Closing. Inhale, open. Exhale. Palms in front of your abdomen. So total, left 3 times, right 3 times. Things to look out, horse stance. Make sure that the knee doesn't collapse inwards, and as you side bend, try to have your outer shoulder intact with the thigh. For those with knee issues, option, you can just stay up high, but what we want is to maximize the stretching of the side trunk. Look up, look to the side as far as you can. Alright, so this is the third movement of the Wudang 5 animal Qigong, Leopard. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.